I cycled 60 kilometers to Gunung Ledang, but when I reached the entrance, the officials told me that I have to register online. I thought my whole trip would be wasted and I have nowhere to go now. But luckily, I was let in to the campsite. But that's not the only kind act that I encounter on this trip. I'm leaving Malacca city today, rested for 3 days and my body felt amazing. I think I really need to take things slow. So today I'm going to Gunung Ledang. It's only about 60 kilometers away. Time now is 11:30. Then I should be able to reach there by 5 or 6 o'clock. Gunung Ledang. How to go? There?
Where?
Gunung Ledang.
Oh, Gunung Ledang.
Yeah, there?
Yeah.
Sure.
I'll show you to the junction.
Okay. Slowly, very slow.
Okay. You're from where?
Singapore.
Singapore, I see. Can speak Malay or not?
Little bit.
Almost zero.
Almost. Okay, thank you. Today 8 days.
8 days.
Yeah.
For Singapore.
Yes.
Oh, Singapore.
East side.
Oh.
Yeah. I come Johor.
My auntie.
Oh, nearby. Very near.
I used to go there. Very high.
Yeah.
I'm not because before anymore.
You work there lah.
I have a project in Changi Airport.
Okay. Okay. So if you're wondering, at this point I don't really trust Komoot for the routes. So from time to time I will check in with the locals when the route looks especially suspicious.
Okay, you want to go to Gunung Ledang from which entry? From Malacca entry or Johor entry?
The campsite one.
Oh, campsite, campsite. Okay. PSN. Here is about 1 kilometer. There is a one campsite. About 1 kilometer. There is a traffic light to the school. You can choose either left or right.
Okay.
If you take that right, go to the Jasin district town lah.
Town.
You take left, it's your coastal road lah.
Okay.
It's about 5 kilometers. It's about 5 kilometers. There's T junction.
Take left. Take right.
Then you go to the city and you can ask the people there lah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. I have to buy some vegetables and get our lunch here. It's 1:30, cycled 22 kilometers. I have 35 kilometers to go. It's getting very hot. I need to get out of the sun. 2 o'clock, I have a cup of milk. Hopefully reach the campsite by 4 p.m. 34 kilometers left. Hello, 有卖菜吗？没有卖菜，谢谢。鸡蛋你们怎么卖啊？鸡蛋你们怎么卖？有可以买2颗的2粒的吗？可以哈。哇！哪里？对面啊，弯了很难弯回来。哎呀！从马来卡，新加坡来的。手机特别热。It's got vegetables. Green. Given by the lady I met in Malacca. So hanging out with the locals, you get a very different perspective of the country. You learn about topics like the education system and the political system from their point of view. just when I thought I feel like I'm on top of the world, I have to push my bicycle up a 10% gradient.
So, camping.
Follow this way for 100 meters.
That's looking first.
Ah, my friend say I can come here.
What?
My friend say I can come here
Yeah.
camping.
Are you want camping?
Ah. 10,
You want one person?
one person,
Where are you from?
Singapore. Huh? There? Ah, okay. Can I cook here? Can, huh? Oh, okay.
I honestly thought that this will be a wasted trip when they told me that I have to register first.
You from Singapore?
Johor, Simpang Rengan, Kluang, Muar, Malacca, then here. Next, don't know. Figure out here. So now I'm heading to campsite. So they have a lot of chalets here. The problem is there's a lot of steps here. I might have the same issue as Kluang, but we'll figure out. I don't see a lot of people here. One night is 10 ringgit, so that's actually pretty reasonable.
I was the only one camping for the 2 nights. Legend has it that there was a celestial princess who lived on Gunung Ledang. The Sultan had heard of the princess' beauty and wanted to marry her, but she set 7 impossible conditions for him. And as expected, the Sultan couldn't fulfill all of the conditions. Gunung Ledang has a lot of other stories about spirits, guardians, and strange encounters. I didn't see anything myself, but one night, the entire tent suddenly jerked. I thought my bicycle had fallen because I tied it to the tent. So I went up to check, and the bike was still standing. So I just went back to sleep. I bought rice and lentils for the camping trip, and together they weighed 2 kg. I was being very confident about how much I would be camping during my whole bicycle trip. I thought I will finish them quickly and the weight wouldn't matter to me, but I was very wrong. Still, it is amazing to have cooked rice while camping. You can't go wrong with baked bean and rice. Such a simple meal but chock full of protein. If I have some green leafy vegetables, I think this meal would have been complete. When I'm camping, I will bring my valuables along with me. So that will include my laptop, camera, handphone, and cash. So there's nobody else in this campsite, but when I'm showering, I will bring this stuff along with me as well. I might be paranoid, but I think it's better than being upset over lost items. Speaking about lost item, I couldn't find my ND filter this morning, but it turns out that I just dropped it on the floor.
Dinner time. I'm gonna cook salted egg rice with potato. Never tried before. I hope it turns out good. I'm just using up whatever I have. Potato is heavy, so I want to just finish up. Hopefully then my next camping trip I can get some green vegetables because it's so much carbs. Running very low on alcohol fuel, so I do hope that this will be sufficient. There's a gas stove somewhere, but it's pretty huge, the fire. This bottle actually gave it to me for free because I was asking them for water and the cafe is not open. The rice is just sticking like mad now because of the salted egg. Added more water and try to scrape the rice. As much as possible, I try not to have any food waste when it comes to camping because I'm not sure of it's just cleaner that way, you know. This looks kind of sad, but I think you can't really go wrong with salted egg. It's not too good to eat too much salted egg, but you know, once in a while. It's not bad. A bit salty because it's a whole salted egg. Today we're gonna break camp at Gunung Ledang today. It's been really amazing staying here, sleeping to the sound of the stream, the insects, birds. The bird just started. I think I'll do this more often. Still a bit wary of wild camping, but this kind of campsite, highly recommend. Today's breakfast will be oats and coffee, and if there's enough fuel, I will also boil an egg. bake.
To learn from my previous Kluang trip, I'm not gonna waste energy trying to push up a heavy bike. Instead, I'm gonna spend more time pushing out the bicycle, picking up the bags, making a bit more trip, but saving my energy for cycling later on. And for every camping trip, it's very important that you leave no trace behind.
Got to stock up my alcohol fuel and if I can, buy a beep. Feeling very fresh today. Resting for 2 days is a good choice. My chafing doesn't hurt that much. Actually, it doesn't hurt anymore.
In the next episode, I'll be cycling to Port Dickson. I did have a small accident along the way, but fortunately, everything fell into place. Until then, stay curious and I'll see you outside. Bye!